Hey Shopify merchants! It's Tapita SEO tutorial bulk AI generated content. First, on the app's left tab menu, click on Content Optimization. You can choose multiple pages within the same category for bulk AI generation. For example, all selected pages are in product page type. Click on Bulk AI Generated Content to start the metadata creation process. Choose at least one type of content you want to bulk AI generate. Next, click on Bulk AI Generate. You can save content creation for single post by clicking on the white button Save. If all bulk generated content match your goal, then you can click Save All. The status bar also indicates the success of this task. For pages that says lacking product description, you can click to edit that product. In fact, the description is created. Now click AI Generate to create new page title. Save change and your page content is ready for search discovery. And that's it for Tapita Shopify SEO tutorial today. Thanks for watching.